Good morning, student. Geometry question number 1 AB, 2 A we have completed, 3 we have started already. That video I have sent it in part 1. Now question number 2 B, third problem. Two B 3. One diagram is given. D, E, F, G. What is given? DEF, arc DEF. Sorry, DGF, that is 200. This is given 70. To find arc DE, to find arc DEF, now major arc EF is equal to major angle ECF is equal to 70. Why? Measure of arc is equal to measure of central angle. Second, major arc DE plus major arc EF plus major arc DGF is equal to 360. Total measurement of circle, angular part. So this we don't know. This is 70, this is 200 is equal to 360. So major arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270. It is 90. Therefore, major arc DEF is equal to 90 plus 70, 160. By substitution, simplifying, addition of arc by adding 2 arc. Next, very important question, and many times they have asked. Fourth, sec square theta, cosec square theta, sec square theta, mark this double star, okay. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. From left to right, right to left, both you can do. So left hand side is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now this is 1 by cos square theta. This is sin square theta. Why? Because sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Now cross product, sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta. cross product. Now this is 1 because first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And again 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So what I will write, 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta, and that is sec square theta cos is equal to right hand side. Again you have to write sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta cosec square theta. In that same question, one more, fifth question. Construct a tangent to a circle with a center P, radii 3.2 at any point on M. So take a circle of 3.2. Then from here directly draw one ray. So automatically you will get point on circle. Now from point M less than radii cut from both the side. From here 1, 2. Now increase more than radii from that 2 new point up, down, from here up, down. By apparatus you will get accurate diagram, don't worry. Measurement and the labeling should not touch to the diagram, that you have to take care. Question number 3A. Question 3A first. One diagram is given. This is given. AB is the diameter, bisector of ACB. ACB. These are equal. Bisector. AD and BD we have to prove equal. This and this we have to prove equal. first CD is angle bisector of angle ACB given. Therefore angle DCA congruent DCB angle bisector theorem. These two are equal, inscribe angle equal, so these two arcs are equal. Therefore arc AD congruent arc BD, inscribe angle congruent, then respective arcs are also congruent. Fourth, if arcs are congruent, chords are congruent. If arcs are congruent, then respective chords are congruent. Next, DEF PQ this and this given peak parallel, upper part is 20 unit, PF is double, means these two are equal. Find this, only this area. So in triangle FDE and triangle FPQ, angle F congruent to angle F common, angle D congruent to angle FPQ, corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore triangle similar to triangle, by AA test. Area of triangle FDE divided by area of triangle FPQ. FD by FP square. Ratio of ratio of area of two similar triangle. Then sixth, FD it is given 2FP. FD it is given 2FP given. So this will cancel only 2. So 2 to the 4 by 1. And this triangle area is not given. This area is given 20. So area of triangle FT E is equal to 80 units, square unit, by substitution. 9. Area of triangle FDE is equal to area of triangle FPQ plus area of quadrilateral PQED by addition of area. This part plus this part. 10th, this is given 80, this is given 20. This is the question. So 60. Square. Okay. Wait, FD is given 2 dp. So FD PF is 2 dp. So PF dp is equal to x, PF is equal to 2x. Correct? Sorry. So FD is equal to FP plus PD divided by FP. Correct? So you can write 2 dp plus dp by 2 dp. So is equal to 3 dp by 2 dp. This will cut. So this is 3 3 is a 9, 2 2 is a 4. So cross product 20 into 9 divided by 4. So it is 45. So this is 45. Sorry. So it is 15. So it is not a midpoint. By mistake I have taken this. Sorry. Now B question 4B. Four B first. PQR. R is 90. To prove that PQ square 4 PM square 3 PR square. Midpoint is given as per the diagram. Okay, so in triangle PQR, PM is median on RQ. Therefore RM is equal to MQ is equal to RQ by 2, midpoint theorem. By Apollonius theorem is not there, but you can use. So PR square plus PQ square is equal to 2PM square plus 2RM square by Apollonius theorem. PR we want, so write as it is. PQ also we want, write as it is. PM also we want, so write as it is. RM we don't want, so what is RM? RM is equal to PM square minus PR square. Pythagoras theorem in triangle PRM substitution. Now just simplify. PR square plus PQ square is equal to 2PM square plus 2PM square minus 2PR square. So this plus this is equal to 4PM square. PR square, this PR square comes this side, so minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Simplify. Just we have open the bracket, then I have transfer this and simplify. Then BPT theorem is there, so that I am not solving, that you know. Three 3.5, 5.7. 4B3, 3.5 circle. From the center 5.7 means less than double. Radius is 3.5. From the center 5.7 is the distance. Now from that outside point we have to draw two tangent. So first draw perpendicular bisector of AB from A and B, from B upside downside, from A upside downside. It is less than double, so it will cut the circle. It is a secant of the circle. So these two are equal, and it is a perpendicular bisector. Now that one is your new point. For example, M. This I am highlighting, you don't need to highlight. Now that new intersection point is your new center. From that center, from MA, take radii MA, cut the circle in two part of the circle. From M, take measurement up to A, from up and down, from that only, and that you have to joint correct. Like this you will get your diagram. Next, sec theta minus cosec theta tan theta plus cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, sec theta means 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Cot theta, cos theta, sin theta. Tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. Write down all the reason. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. And tan theta is equal to sin theta, cos theta. Now product, cross product. This into this sin theta, this into this cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. First bracket, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta, cos theta. This is 1. So finally you will get the answer as, this is 1. So sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin square theta, cos square theta. Now separate division by equal ratio theorem, sin theta minus cos theta. That is let me check what is the question. Sec minus cos it was, sorry. So it is 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Cos square theta, sin square theta, this. So here sin and cos square theta. And here 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta. One sin will cancel, so it will be sin theta by cos theta because it is square. And this one and this one. Sin by cos is equal to what? Tan theta. 1 by cos is equal to what? Sec theta. That we want as a right hand side. That print is very blurred, so sorry. That is not cosec, it is cos. Again I am explaining, sec is equal to 1 by cos. Cos is equal to cos by 1. Cross product 1 cos square theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta by cos theta. And this side, cot is equal to cos by sin, tan is equal to sin by cos, cos square, sin square. Sin square, cos square is equal to 1. And denominator product sin into cos. So sin into cos into cos. So you can write separate also. So sin will cancel. So one sin will remain, 2 cos will remain. And that is in denominator. So sin by cos is equal to tan. 1 by cos is equal to sec. So that is equal to right hand side. So left side is equal to right side. One more question from Trigo. what they have given, sin square sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, it is given, correct. So I can write sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta, cos square theta, sorry, because 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Sin plus sin square theta is equal to 1, that is given. So I have written sin is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta by identity I can write cos square theta. Okay, now you got this. Now what we have to show, we have to find out the value of cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. We have to find out this value. So cos square theta common, 1 plus cos square theta. Or here sin square theta is equal to cos raised to 4 theta by taking square on both the side. Now add sin theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Left hand side total, right hand side total. This is first, this is second, so first plus second, correct. And this value already it is given 1, so 1 is equal to cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Again I am explaining the same. Sin plus sin square is equal to 1, it is given. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. And now you square on both the side, sin square, cos raised to 2, cos raised to 4. Now left side total, right side total, and sin plus sin square it is already given 1, so 1. So the value of this we have to find out, that is 1. One construction is given. Line segment is divided into 5 parts. That also I am giving. A, P, Q, R, S, B. A, B, A, P, Q, R, S, B. Q is given 12, 14. S is given 4, 18. Only 2 points are given, rest of all we have to find out. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5, x6, y6. All are equal part they have given. Okay. So first we will start from for example, R is midpoint of QS. Therefore, x4 y4 is equal to x3 x5 divided by 2, y3 y5 divided by 2. So it is 12 plus 4 by 2, 14 plus 18 by 2. Correct. 16 by 2, so it is 8. 10, 20, 30, 32 by 2 means 16. Substitute. Check. Okay. So first done. Take now B. So S is midpoint of RB. Therefore, x5 y5 is equal to x3 4 and 6. Now this is a midpoint of this. Now midpoint is given 8 plus x6 by 2, 16 plus y6 divided by 2. Now separate. 4 is equal to 8 plus x6 by 2, 18 is equal to y6, 16 plus y6 divided by 2. 8 is equal to 8 plus x6, 8 cancels 0. 36, 16. 36 minus 16, so 0, 12, 0, 20. So 0 plus 8, 8 divided by 2, correct. 16 plus 20, 36 divided by 2, 18, correct. Exactly same. P is midpoint of, Q is a midpoint of PR. Okay. Now Q means what? X3 y3. Three means 2, 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. This is given 12, 14. x2 plus 8 by 2. y2 plus 16 by 2. So 12 is equal to x2 plus 8 by 2. 14 y2 plus 16 by 2. 24 is equal to x2 plus 8. So x2. 28 is equal to y2 plus 16. 16 less, so it is 12. So 16 and 12. 16 plus 8, 24, half, correct. 12 plus 16, 28, half, correct. Now one more. P is midpoint of AQ. P means 2, x2, y2. 2 means 1, 3. Substitute. x1 plus 12 divided by 2. y1 plus 14 divided by 2. So 16 is equal to x1 plus 12 divided by 2. 12 is equal to y1 plus 14 divided by 2. 32 minus 12 is equal to x1. 24 minus 14 is equal to y1. So it is 20. 20, 10. So let's compare 20 plus 12, 32, half 16, 10, 14, 24, half is correct. So all points are correct and checked. Then again you have to write all the coordinate. A is this, B is this, C, P, Q, R, S, all coordinates separately. 3 questions more remain, but time up now for this Zoom meeting. So that we will continue in next lecture. So thank you student. Attempt regular online lectures. We'll meet tomorrow same time on Zoom. Thank you very much.